Hey, this is Pete, Wrap My Spyder. Today we're featuring a new product for us. It's a wheel kit for the 2020 Can-Am Spyder RT. And we've already done a few pieces in there to give you a feel for what they are. This one here, this is our charcoal metallic, and the bike is the asphalt gray, and it's a pretty close match, so we're pretty excited about that. But this is a very subtle accent for your wheel, very easy to apply if you have a little bit of patience. So I thought I'd real quick just show you the last two spokes because the application is the same for all of them. So of course we're going to make sure that we're installing an appropriate temperature. For a wheel kit, you really want to make sure that wheel's up to temperature no less than 65 degrees. Warmer's even better. And you're going to want to make sure that the wheel is very clean in advance as well as dry. And if you've gotten that far, you also want to make sure that there's no Armor All overspray on the wheel or any other kind of silicone-based product that's on the wheel. And your final prep is going to be the 70% rubbing alcohol and paper towel. So once you know that your wheel is clean and ready to accept the graphic or wheel accent, you'll be ready to do your application. This particular item, because it's so small, I don't think we're going to be providing it with transfer tape unless we get feedback in the future that you feel you need it. So you're going to peel the transfer onto your finger, and basically you're just going to align it to the center of the wheel where you feel comfortable, and you'll see that it fits in a certain place. Take your finger, rub it in place. If you don't like your alignment, you can pick it up. So again, reposition, check that, and that looks good. So as long as your wheel is nice and clean and dry and up to temperature, you're not going to have any trouble. So that was the, we'll call that the arrow style. And then there's this one with the little ring. This is a little trickier, but alignment's the same way. I've been using the hook for alignment to look at it. Tack it in place. You can let it fall. Make sure you like it. And you just kind of rub it out. For these little arms, they'll kind of fall into place. You can just kind of guide them. But this one, as an example, fell right where it's supposed to fall. So certainly not rocket science when it comes to application of product, but it's a really cool subtle accent. Covers up the gloss black, but in this case the two colors are close enough together that we feel that you're not going to have a problem, or nobody will ask you why you certainly put that on your wheel. So just a neat accent for the wheel, 2020 Can-Am Spyder RT. And see if we can't bring you in a little bit. Let me turn that light away. That may or may not help. So a neat little accent for you. So that wraps up our video. If you have any questions, you can email us at sales@wrapmyspyder.com or check the website for more details. This is Pete with Wrap My Spyder. We certainly appreciate you watching. Thank you.